Hello everyone. In this video, we are solve this interesting exponential equation. This question is x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0, and we'll find out what is the value of x in this exponential equation. So how to solve this question? I solved this question two methods. So our first method, look, our question is x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then I can easily, this equation becomes, look, x to the power 4 is equal to minus 1. Then I can easily, it will be x to the power 4 is equal to minus 1, it will be e to the power I pi, and then I can see if I add 2 and pi. Then I can easily, it will be x to the power 4, I use both sides, power is 1 over 4, and it will be to the power I times pi plus 2 and pi over 4. Then I can easily, this 4 is cancelled. We'll find out here is x is equal to e to the power I, here is pi plus 2 and pi over 4, and here is n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. It is a 4-degree equation. Then if I add this value in this case, so we'll find out here is x is equal to e to the power, when I put 0, we'll find out here is I pi over 4, and again when I put 1, this time we'll find out here is e to the power I, and here is 3 pi over 4. Then when I use 2, this time we can say here is e to the power I times 5 over 4, and again when I put 3, so this time I can see it will be e to the power I 7 pi over 4. Then we know that here is cos theta, and theta is pi over 4, and plus I sin theta, and theta is pi over 4. So we'll find out here is the value of is 1 over square root 2 plus I, and here is 1 over square root 2. And again if I put this value, in this case 3 pi over 4, we'll find out here is minus 1 over square root 2 plus 1 over square root 2 I. And again if I put this value 5 pi over 4, we'll find out here is minus 1 over square root 2 minus 1 over square root 2 I. Then if I put 7 pi over 4, we'll find out 1 over square root 2 minus 1 over square root 2 I. So this is our fourth value, first, second, third and fourth. So please comment my video, is it right method? Now I solved this question others method. Our question is, look, x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then this equation becomes, look, x to the power 4, it will be x square and whole square plus, and in this case I can see it will be 1 square, so I can see easily it will be 2x square times 1, and here is 2x square is extra, so I subtract it, here is minus 2x square is equal to 0. Look, this equation or this equation is same, because of that here is x to the power 4, this is x to the power 4, and this is this one, but 2x square minus 2x square, so here is x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. And then I can say easily it will be, look, we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square, it will be x square plus 1 whole square. We know that a plus b whole square, it will be x square plus 2ab plus b square, and then it will be 2x square, so I can say square root 2x whole square is equal to 0. Then we know that a square minus b square, it will be a plus b times a minus b. According to these rules, I can say here is x square plus 1 plus square root 2x times x squared plus 1 minus square root 2x is equal to 0. Then I can say easily here is two term. Our first term is x squared plus square root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Another case we are find out here is x squared minus square root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then it is a quadratic equation. So in this case I can say here is a is equal to 1, b is equal to square root 2 and c is equal to 1. Then we know that here is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. According to these rules I can say easily here is x is equal to here is minus b. So in this case b is square root 2, so minus square root 2 plus minus square root b square, so square root 2 whole square minus 4a is 1 and c is 1 over 2a is 1. Then I can see easily here is x is equal to, look, here is x is equal to minus square root 2 over 2, this 2 times 1 it will be 2, and in this case I can say plus minus square root, look, square root 4 times 1 times 1 it will be 4 and square root is cancelled, so here is 2, so minus 4 plus 2 it will be minus 2 over this 2. Then I can say here is x is equal to, you know that 2 it will be square root 2 times square root 2, so I can say minus square root 2 over square root 2 times square root 2 plus minus, and it will be square root 2i over square root 2 times square root 2. Then this cancel, this cancel, we'll find out here is x is equal to minus 1 over square root 2 plus minus 1 over square root 2i. So here is 2 value, but our need others 2 value. Look, our question, another question is x to the power 2 minus square root 2x plus 1. So again I can say it will be x square minus square root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then I can say here is x is equal to minus b, so minus, and here is b is minus square root 2 plus minus square root b square, so minus square root 2 whole square minus 4a is 1, c is 1 over 2. Then I can see easily here is x is equal to, it will be minus minus plus, so square root 2 plus minus square root, it is also minus 2 over 2. Then I can see easily here is x is equal to square root 2 over this 2, it will be square root 2 times square root 2 plus minus, and here is square root 2i over this 2, it will be square root 2 times square root 2. Then I can say this cancel, this cancel, we'll find out here is x is equal to 1 over square root 2 plus minus 1 over square root 2i. So our final answer is this and this.